Welcome to our channel. Today we how to create a brand message with Typeform, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by understanding the importance of a brand message. A clear brand message defines who you are, what you do, and why it matters. Start by going to Typeform's website and create an account if you don't have one. Once logged in, click on the Create Typeform button. Select a template that fits your goals, or start from scratch with a blank template. Consider the objective of your brand message. Think about the audience you want to reach and their needs. Begin adding questions to gather insights about your brand identity. Use open-ended questions to allow for more nuanced responses. Ask questions like, what values does your brand represent? Include questions about your target audience's demographics and preferences. Next, organize your questions logically. Start with broad questions and gradually narrow down to specific details. When your questions are set, customize the design of your typeform. Choose colors and fonts that align with your brand identity. Make sure the design is visually appealing and easy to read. Now it's time to preview your typeform. Check for any errors or awkward phrasing in your questions. Ensure that the flow feels natural for respondents. Once satisfied, publish your typeform. Share it with your team or audience to collect responses. After gathering the data, analyze the results to identify key themes. Look for common values or messages that resonate with your respondents. Use these insights to craft a concise brand message. Ensure your message highlights your unique value proposition. Finally, test your brand message with a small audience. Gather feedback and refine your message as needed. Repeat the process until you feel confident that your brand message reflects your identity. Now you have a solid brand message to communicate your vision effectively. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.